Hi there, I'm Chloe, Head of Content here at Ortto. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to something that will be fundamental to your understanding of and response to your customer behavior: activities. Activities capture behaviors like placing an order or opening an email. Each activity has its own set of attributes that provide additional context. All of your activities and their attributes are housed in your Ortto CDP and can be used right across the platform to do things like build audiences, trigger emails in a journey, or create a report. There are 3 types of activities in Ortto: custom activities, system activities, and data source activities. You can see some of the custom activities I have in my demo account here. I'm just touching on these for context today, as we'll be filming a dedicated intro to custom activities video very soon. Now, when I scroll down, you can see all of the system activities appearing here. System activities are automatically created in your account to help you track audience and customer behavior across your website, marketing channels, and operational workflows. For example, the activities you see here fire when customers or prospects engage with your campaigns in Ortto, like emails, SMS, journeys, or playbooks. When we scroll down a little further, you'll see some activities that are connected to the Ortto pixel on your website or app. For example, user session or website session. Now, each of the activities you see has a set of attributes. For example, let's have a look at this shown widget activity. This one will fire when a user sees one of your widgets on your website or app. And when we scroll down, you'll see the attributes that will be connected to it. Things like the widget name, the widget type, and the browser it was seen on. Now let's go back, and I'm going to scroll right down so that you can see my data source activities. I have a number of data sources connected to this account: Calendly, Facebook, Google, and Recurly. Now, these activities here are the defaults that are automatically added when you integrate the data source to your account, but there are many more you can optionally add. Salesforce is one of our most popular data sources, and it also has one of the more robust sets of activities and attributes. A number of campaign, contact, lead, and opportunity activities are added by default, along with their associated attributes, but there are so many more you can choose to add. Now, when we click into lead created, you can see the various attributes that will come through, including things like country, annual revenue, and lead source. These Salesforce activities and their attributes can be used when building audiences, automating workflows like round robin lead assignments, and populating campaign content for personalization efforts. Now let's have a look at how activities appear in the Ortto CDP. We're going to head to the People tab, and I'm going to use a filter. Let's have a look at that lead created activity again. We'll search for that, filter by activity, lead created, and let's say I want to have a look at the owner as the attribute. So I'm going to say lead created has occurred where owner, first name, is Pete. Done. Okay, so you can see here we have 161 matches where the lead created has occurred and the owner is Pete. Now, I can click on any of these contacts. Let's have a look at Sammy here to get a feed of all of the actions taken before and after the lead creation. You can see some system activities here like entered audience or started journey, as well as that lead created activity coming in from Salesforce. All of this context is incredibly helpful to sales, support, and success teams who want to approach conversations with full context. It can also give marketing teams a deeper understanding of the journey a lead takes before and after they convert. When people are attached to organizations, you will also see these activities appear in the organization record alongside the activities from other connected people. Now, you can also use activities in your CDP to create audiences. So let's have a quick look. As an example, I have this expired trials audience, and I'm using 2 activities from my Recurly data source: new trial and subscription change, and that's helping me to build this audience. Now, all of your system and data source activities in the CDP can also be used across your marketing and reporting. They're just a huge part of what makes Ortto so powerful. That's it for our intro to activities. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something along the way. We'll see you next time.